He survived the impossible. Not once, but twice. A man who looked death in the eyes inside 2 nuclear explosions and walked away alive. This is the unbelievable true story of Tsutomu Yamaguchi, the only human to survive both atomic bombs. On August 6, 1945, the sky over Hiroshima turned white. A bright flash, louder than 1,000 storms, swallowed the entire city. Buildings melted, shadows burned into walls. 70,000 people died in seconds. But one man, Yamaguchi, survived. He was walking to work when he heard a strange humming above him. He looked up and saw a silver object falling from the sky. He didn't know it was the most powerful weapon ever created. The next moment, a blinding flash. A fireball lifted him off the ground. When he opened his eyes, everything around him was destroyed. His ears were bleeding. His skin was burned. His city had become a wasteland, but he was still alive. Most people would have run, but Yamaguchi did something unimaginable. Burned, wounded, barely standing. He took a train home. His home was Nagasaki. He walked into his house in bandages. His wife cried when she saw him. His little boy didn't recognize him. He said the words no one in the world wanted to hear. A single bomb destroyed Hiroshima, but the nightmare was not over. On August 9, 1945, 3 days after surviving the first bomb, Yamaguchi was explaining what happened to his boss when the sky flashed again. Another fireball, another explosion, another nuclear bomb, this time in Nagasaki. He was thrown to the ground, windows shattered, the world disappeared in white for the second time. Tsutomu Yamaguchi had survived 2 atomic bombs. Doctors couldn't understand it. His burns reopened, his hair fell out, radiation poisoned his body. But he stayed alive. He watched 2 cities disappear. He watched tens of thousands of people vanish in seconds. He saw the darkest moment in human history, twice. But what he did next was even more extraordinary. Instead of hiding from the world, Yamaguchi chose to speak to it. He spent the rest of his life warning humanity about nuclear weapons. He told his story so the world wouldn't repeat its mistakes. He said, "No one should ever witness what I have seen." Tsutomu Yamaguchi passed away peacefully in 2010, not from radiation, not from war, but from old age at 93. He was the only person officially recognized to survive both atomic bombs, a man who walked through hell twice and still chose peace. If you want more unbelievable true history, war legends, and real stories the world tried to forget, subscribe to Echoes of the World. More stories are waiting.